y'all, and welcome back. Happy New Year, y'all. Happy New Year. Happy 2025. And I am back with another video. Did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me? Because I miss y'all a little bit, okay? But anyway, so I got another, little pajama try-on haul, a little quick video of pajama try-on haul for Valentine season. Okay, so I hope I'm looking in the right direction. But anyway, yeah, so how was y'all New Year? Like, let me know in the comments. Like, I really want to have a conversation. Like, how was y'all New Year? Did y'all enjoy it or whatever? But anyway, so let's get right on into the try-on haul. And this is my favorite Valentine's Day onesie, okay? Because this was like, this is more so for like a single person because of what it says on here. It says, it's all about me. It says, you suck. It says, love pizza. It says, Cupid is Cupid. And some other stuff. What is it? It says, I'm your, not yours. It says, not yours. And it says, look, it says, what the hell? Not today. It says not today. It says a lot of stuff on here, y'all. That's why this is my favorite. But make sure y'all check out my Instagram because I think it's a couple more I missed. But make sure y'all check out my Instagram because I'll let y'all know the rest that's on here. But anyway, long sleeves, short pants, and I am wearing a size small. The only reason I did lose a little bit of weight though, yeah. I still gotta check out that scale, put some batteries in my scale to see how much weight I lost for 2024. Yeah, but I know I lost a lot, but that's not the reason why I'm wearing a size small. The reason why I'm wearing a size small is because they only gave me 2 mediums, so I had to pull from a small. And I really like this one because it has a butt flap and it's a heart-shaped butt flap. Yeah. Can y'all see it? But it's in the shape of a heart though. It's in the shape of a heart. I don't know if y'all can see. But y'all like it? So here is the last one. And when I put this on, I don't know why the first song that popped in my head when I put this on was the Stevie Wonder, Isn't She Lovely song. Like, isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Yeah, that's what it's giving for some reason. As soon as I put this on, that song popped into my head. But anyway, y'all. So this one is Sweethearts. The last one is called Self-Love. This one is Sweethearts, and y'all already know what it's giving. You know, the little sweetheart candies. You know, it says hug me, SOS, kiss me, and all that stuff. This is giving nostalgia. The reason why I say that is because I remember when we were in like elementary school and we used to pass out Valentine's cards and give each other candies and stuff like that. That's what it reminds me of though. But yeah, this one has a butt flap too. You can probably see the heart shape a little bit more. One is unbuttoned down here, but yeah, I like it. And I'm wearing a medium in this one. They made enough. They made enough, so I can wear a medium. This one fit a little bit looser than the small, but the small didn't fit bad either though. Can't really tell much of the difference. So yeah. So y'all like this little short, little try on haul. I don't know when my next video is gonna be, honestly, I don't don't know, cause I'm out of sleepwear right now. So yeah, so I might just do like outfits of the day and stuff like that. You know, little quick videos and stuff like that. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you made it towards the end of this video, make sure you leave a purple heart. And I got my nails purple. They look so pretty. But anyway, make sure y'all drop the purple hearts. And I hope y'all are enjoying y'all 2025 so far. I really do. Okay? Hope y'all enjoying. Hopefully y'all are sticking to your New Year's goals. Yeah. I definitely did. 2024 was a bad year for me, honestly, but I did, lose some weight. So that was good. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next one.